Hi, my name is Falake, and in this video, I'm going to talk about what platforms are best for lead generation. And it's pretty basic: social media and your email marketing software. So think of social media as the big bright city where there's so much traffic depending on how well your page is optimized, and you want to be in front of all the eyes and make sure that you're attracting as many people. And then with your email marketing, you are speaking directly to your audience, because for you to have leads into your email marketing software, it's from people who have downloaded your free book or taken your free training or bought some low ticket offer. You know that this is your warm audience because they have engaged with you in some way, shape or form. Now, social media serves like a city where you put up your billboard and everybody can see it. The only thing is that the algorithm is set up such that only about 1% of your audience sees your post. And the reason why that is so is it encourages you to run ads. And so when you're running ads, it's best to run lead generation ads, so that even if you're not running ads directly to a product or service you're selling, you're running ads to a free offer. And that free offer is in exchange for names and emails, your leads. So down the line, after a nurture sequence, after you've sent a few more emails, given value, then they can buy from you. Now, it might look on the front end like you're spending so much money and you're not seeing the returns of your investment immediately. But that's just the thing about building a brand. You have to be patient. It's not immediate. Lead generation is a process that pays down the line. The most successful business owners know that when you are patient to follow the process, then it pays off eventually. But if you quit at the beginning or quit in the middle, then you're not going to see the return on those investments. So it's best you set up your system such that it delivers enough value on the front end, so that at the back end, you're being rewarded for all of that effort. And of course, make sure your product or your service is good. Because if it's not good and you have all of those leads coming in and they finally try out your product, guess what's going to happen? They are going to go on social media and just bring you down. I know you've heard of skincare brands, especially, they use your products and their faces become monstrous, and they go on social media and they tell the whole world how horrible your products and services, and you do not want that bad publicity. As long as your product and your service is good, then you are able to set up something free. Make sure that your lead magnet is also good. You don't say that because it's free, then it should be substandard, or it shouldn't be all that. Think of social media as the city where you're putting up your billboard for a lot of people to see, and then optimizing that through paid ads. And then think of email marketing as you having a romantic relationship with your audience. So you're speaking directly to people who are interested, but then they need that extra romance, that extra night out, date night before they finally say yes. So I'm sure this video helps. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Yes, and I will see you in the next lesson.